Here on the job board, although it may appear to be very self-explanatory, it's not. In that it's broken down into two different types of work. One of them on the left, you'll see remote jobs. The remote jobs are jobs you can do with your skill from your RV home or campsite. That's the concept. It doesn't matter if you're an executive assistant or if you are a writer, you're a YouTuber, if you do ad campaigns, whatever it is that you do from your skill set, if you're an attorney, it doesn't matter what your skill sets are. These kind of jobs are what are for you. If in fact you're physical and you have on-site type of work. On the right side of the page, I want you to note that these jobs are on-site, at a campsite, at a plant, or like in Amazon's case, at Amazon or wherever it may be physically. However, we try and gear these types of jobs towards areas in which you may be traveling. So what you do is if you see these jobs on the right side, you want to look and see if in fact what city they're in or what city and state. So if you're traveling in that area, that job may be perfect for you. We keep this updated every single week for you so that you can navigate through and find something that's a good fit. If you notice, you see Oregon, Arizona, Idaho, Utah. I don't know where you're going, Florida. Now, as you look, take a look and look for changes each week to see if there's something in the works of where you're planning to go. And then, of course, manage your success using our job board simply by following along and seeing what's a great fit for you and your family. Take care.